Alligator weed is an invasive weed in Australia and has been declared a weed of national significance. Alligator weed has the ability to invade both aquatic and terrestrial environments. The aquatic weed has a hollow stem and free-floating roots along the water surface, whilst the terrestrial weed has shorter and minimally hollow stems. Both have dark green perpendicular leaves of 20 to 70 centimeters in length and produce a small white paper-like flower. It's believed the first alligator weed came to Australia in 1946 on a ship's ballast, which was stocked at Newcastle. In 1995, an investigation revealed the weed growing in backyards in all states and territories as a substitute to a traditional Sri Lankan herb and vegetable. The potential spread of alligator weed through fragmentations of the plant competes with native plants for resources and habitat. The weed also impacts on agricultural activities with a cost of hundreds of millions of dollars. Erosion and land degradation are results of infestations, with this leading to runoff and subsequently poor water quality. This region has agricultural and environmental importance. Sydney's population is provided with water reticulated through the Hawkesbury, as well as the inclusion of World Heritage areas such as the Blue Mountains. Alligator weed has established a significant infestation in as much as 11% of the Hawkesbury. One method of control currently in use is the flea beetle, which feeds on the leaves and stems, weakening the plant until the dense mass it creates disperses and sinks. This method reduces the environmental impacts of other control methods such as chemical pollution in waterways and poor air quality from incineration. The flea beetle, though, is limited to the aquatic plant, with further investigations underway for the terrestrial counterpart. The environmental and economic damage alligator weed can cause is evidence that vigilance in controlling the invasive plant is required in all communities.